Hey folks, I'm Freddie. Welcome to Heybike Station. Today, we're gonna take a look at two awesome bikes and help you so that you can choose between the Ranger 3.0 Pro and the Mars 3.0. Let's get to it. To start, let's take a look at positioning. The Mars 3.0 is really designed for people who enjoy power, speed, and solid performance on rugged terrain. Whereas the Ranger 3.0 Pro is designed for ultimate comfort, extended range, and enhanced safety for everyday cruising or outdoor touring. In terms of appearance, the Mars 3.0 has a step-over frame for a more classic, rugged look. Here are the color options for the Mars 3.0. Night Rider Black, Vivid Orange, and Stormy Blue. Most of the colors come in a matte finish, except for the Night Rider Black, which features a glossy finish. By comparison, the Ranger 3.0 Pro has a step-through design for easier mounting and dismounting, as well as a hydroformed design for added strength and durability. Color options for the Ranger 3.0 Pro include the Sapphire Blue, Emerald Green, and Ruby Red colors, with addition to the Miami Sunset Limited Edition model. Now this limited edition model comes in 200 units, so get yours quickly before they go fast. Glossy finish is on all of the colors except for the matte finish of the Miami Sunset. Both the Ranger 3.0 Pro and Mars 3.0 feature hydraulic front fork suspension. As for the rear suspension, the Mars 3.0 has a mechanical rear shock, whereas the Ranger 3.0 Pro has an adjustable air shock suspension. With regard to the torque, both of these e-bikes come with a torque sensor. The Mars 3.0 has a significantly high torque at 95 Newton meters, giving it a strong acceleration and 28 miles per hour maximum speed. You can also unlock that to a higher mileage per hour via the display. The Ranger 3.0 Pro has a lower torque than the Mars 3.0, but it's still significant, with the 750 watt motor giving it 80 Newton meters of torque. This e-bike is tuned for smooth, consistent assistance, and it has a top speed of 28 miles per hour. The Mars 3.0 has a 65 mile max range with a 624 watt hour battery capacity, while the Ranger 3.0 Pro has a 90 mile max range with a 720 watt hour battery capacity. Both of these models come with 20 by 4 inch tires. But as you can see, the Mars 3.0 comes with the Chaoyang tires, whereas the Ranger 3.0 Pro comes with the Kenda tires. In terms of braking, both the Mars 3.0 and the Ranger 3.0 Pro have made some significant upgrades to their previous version. Both contain a rotor that is 180 millimeters in diameter. Now the Mars 3.0 rotor has a 2 millimeter thickness compared to the Ranger 3.0 Pro rotor, which is 2.3 millimeters in thickness. The Mars 3.0 comes with a 6061 aluminum alloy frame that is of course step over, while the Ranger 3.0 Pro has the hydroformed 6061 aluminum alloy frame, which is step through. To summarize, the Mars 3.0 is really designed to prioritize higher torque, faster speed, and adventure-ready suspension. The Ranger 3.0 Pro is meant to give you added comfort, longer range, and added confidence with upgrades to its components such as the braking and air suspension. So, which model speaks to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.